All right, man. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Good people. We just tapped in. Why is this? I don't even know why this. I'll just put my screen up here real quick. Let me go to the weekly. Give everybody a chance to get in here. What's good, my brother?
Chilling, bro. I already made my trades, bro. My last trade just closed
I know.
out,
I was gonna say y'all boys was busy.
bro.
Y'all boys was busy.
Move was there right away.
Yeah, so man, look, this back to school stuff today.
Yeah, I feel you.
Had me all busy, bro, from this
I,
morning to this evening.
I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday, I traded. Oh, I traded yesterday too in the morning and Sunday
Huh?
night. Actually, like it was smooth. Like it was nobody really, not really to manipulate the price direction. So
Mm.
it just was a slow grind up yesterday.
Got it, got it. All right, hold up. It's my pick.
Hmm.
Hold up, let me see. I gotta go look at my team so I can see what the hell I need. Yeah, I'm just trying to pick bench players. Mm, damn, who's best available? All right, I know what to do. Ain't nothing but oh my god, I can't pick no quarterback, bro. This is, bruh. This team about to be trash. And this my big money league right here. I hate this pick eight,
There
bruh.
might be a team that go crazy though.
I hope so. Shit. I hope I got lucky with some of these dudes, man. All right, let's see what we got. Who we got in the chat? Who we got in the chat tonight? We got Strat King say what's good. We got Larry in the building. We got Jay in the building. Larry said he currently short from 360 on the NQ. Go look
Yeah, I
at
was
the
short.
NQ.
I had kind of the same entry he had. Yep.
Actually, yeah. Let's talk about the trade y'all already took because y'all boys was busy.
Yeah, Larry, I got in soon. We can tell Larry. Well, chat. I got in my sweep. You know, I like my sweep previous eye. Got that sweep right there. I got in about I want to say here, and I took it to the one standard deviation to like about 330. Yeah, 330 ish. I caught like a good 35 points. I did that on my funded, and I did
I
that
mean,
on
you pretty much caught the entire move. I mean, it's only down 47 points.
yeah. So I'm trying not to be too greedy. Just trying to practice just taking profit.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, a little cash flow for tomorrow. Um, today was a perfect day. Like I ain't had no stresses today. It's trade the move the market did exactly what I wanted it to do. Pretty much the same setup.
Yeah, you took the long this morning, and then did you short after that, and then go
Nah,
back
bro,
long?
I took my bread and was done.
Done for that? Okay, called it a wrap.
Pretty much got my sweep of the low here, enter here at like about 127, and I took profit at 223.
And then you was done for the day, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't really like I said, man, today I had orientation with my youngest at like 11, and then I had something to do this afternoon, so I was pretty much on the go.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't really do nothing today, but I will say I was I ain't front, I was definitely surprised by the amount of violence the market chose overnight last night coming into today. Like I ain't feel like it was nothing overwhelming that happened to cause such a big gap down like it did. So yeah, I think we might retrace a little bit in the morning, which we did. But then it was like we retraced early, market came back down. I started peaking again in the afternoon. Then I saw we rallied in the afternoon. So I was like, okay, bet. Then we got the news of Google and stuff like that in the after hours, which looks like it was a little good pop, but this shit ain't looking like it's finna hold, dog.
Yeah, but I mean, also like to we said I think last week, um, that first week after Labor Day, be a little tender, shake people out, and
Mm-hmm.
then like you said, we're gonna probably go into the rate cut, probably moving a little bit more up. Because right now, and I'll do it because Dre not here. Just from a perspective of where we are right now.
Mm-hmm.
Let's put this up.
And family, I'm in the middle of a fantasy draft right now. That's why I'm looking down. Y'all have my full attention in a minute. We almost done. We got a couple more rounds left.
Uh,
Bro, I need some late round studs, bro.
Shoot, who on the board?
Who?
So who on the board?
Shit, nobody.
So chat, we are above right now. We are above Tuesday open right now, of course, because of the pop at the end of the day. We want to stay above this to be bullish for the rest of the week. So
Man, go ahead. My bad.
right now, although like on the NQ, we are below the previous month 50. On the ES, it's a different story, of course. Um, so for NQ, you want to see the break up above this, but from a perspective of like the ES, we bounced off, create the wick. If I go to like a higher time frame, like the 4 hour, so we bounced off that
Mhm.
bad boy perfectly. So we're just showing is rotation from the tech into other areas of the market. So which is interesting, man, because let me see what the YM doing. Yeah, YM nowhere even near the previous month, man.
Yeah, I was
Strength.
gonna say the ES and NQ they both by their previous month. Well, the NQs it ain't take so much to get there
Yeah.
because of how the monthly finished. But
Hmm.
um,
Yeah, so you see the Dow, the Russell, and the ES is holding above the previous month mid, while the NQ
mhm,
is below.
is below. Yeah, yeah. Um, so that I mean that really leads into Friday, right? Because it's the jobs report. Um, and with the Fed switching its narrative, or not switching its narrative, but switching its mandate, we know this upcoming report is about to be really big. Um, I was reading an article. They looking for a Goldilocks number, basically saying can't be too hot, can't be too cold. Because if it's too hot, then that's worried about if the Fed gonna cut. If it's too cold, then it's concerns about the economy itself. So it'll be interesting what this number come out at and what's going to be the market reaction. We also know we got the new commissioner of
Yep.
Bureau Statistics. So is this gonna even be a real number, or
Yep.
is they gonna fudge this thing? Um, so yeah, man. For me, I'm really just looking towards Friday. I don't, and I think I shared with the group. I said last year, the first week of September, it was a down 4% week.
Hmm.
So, I'm just I'm caution. I ain't necessarily thinking, oh, the market about to blast off. I do know that seasonally wise, though, the we don't really start to see downside until like the second half of September. That's when you see the worst 2 weeks. So these first 2 weeks I meant to say the last 2 weeks of September. So these first 2 weeks could be kind of choppy. The fact that we started with such a big gap down, that's what has me like, oh man, this is about to be weird. Because I wouldn't be surprised if they try to move it back up. Like you said, from an SPX perspective, we hit the monthly 50%, 63.60. Look, Jay said it. He said, I took a short and got in longs around 63.60. Exactly. 63.60 on SPX. That's the 50%. That's prior month 50%. So, I definitely thought we would see a bounce from there, which we did. Bounce right up to the 64.20 or about that area. And now I'm kind of thinking tomorrow going to be a wash. I mean, I think we do have some data tomorrow. Then you got, Google and Apple up a lot. So that could definitely make tomorrow like a wash.
We just got somebody speaking tomorrow. Oh, we got Jolts at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, that ain't. Bruh, would you take Xavier Liggett for Carolina or God damn, these receivers?
Yo, who got Bro, did anybody draft Horton yet?
Who?
Horton. Off Carolina.
Horton. He a running back?
No, he a receiver. He the one from Colorado. He nice.
Oh, Horn. You talking about the young boy?
Yeah.
Horn. Yeah. Horn. Oh, the youngin. Okay. Nah, he ain't get picked yet. He nice, but I don't know he gonna get any burn, bro.
No, not.
Because they got the young rookie, the one they drafted early.
Yeah.
Jay said today was a perfect volume buying opportunity for hedgers. I ate on the move down, move up, the second move. Oh, you was just trading all. You was catching it all. Pause. Nah, yeah. Today definitely was a good trading day for sure. Every time I would look, I was like, damn, that was a pretty decent move.
Let me see.
I know how I'm about to get. It's a reach, but he's still here on the board, so might as well.
I mean, Xavier Liggett is their number one receiver based off of their depth chart right now.
He is the number one?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna have to go Liggett then. I was gonna take Ayuk, but he's still hurt.
Bro.
But bro, we late. It's late in the draft. That's what I'm doing. I could reach on him.
I mean, at least you know he gonna catch the ball. I mean, Purdy, like I said, Purdy don't got many options over there in the 40 at San Fran.
Right. I got two. I gotta get a kicker, and then I got 2 spots left on my roster.
For kicker, go with the dude from the Cowboys.
I always save that pick for last, bro.
No way, we're
my kickers. Whoever is left, I'll pick.
Mm-hmm.
So I probably need to get a backup quarterback. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a backup quarterback.
What QB's on the board?
So let's see. QB's left. You got Stroud. I'm not taking Bryce Young. You got Penix Jr. You got Geno, Stafford, Cam Ward. Kind of want to pick Cam. Sam Darnold for Seattle. He had a pretty good year.
We got Matthew Stafford available.
Yeah, he's still available.
I like that one.
Yeah, I'm picking him. Yeah, he got Puka and he got Devontae Adams. Mm-hmm. Yeah, let me get him.
People forget. I mean, he still was top 5, I think, last year in passing yards.
Passing yards, yeah. You right. And guess who my number one is?
We got Lamar.
Jaden Daniels.
Jaden Daniels. Oh,
yes, buddy.
That's a good pickup.
Bro, Lamar went first round. We in a PPR league. I never see QBs go round one, so I feel like dude messed up. But I mean,
no, I would pick Lamar 1 too.
Really?
I like, bro, automatic 30 points.
True that.
Like, I get you can make that up.
But see, my thing, I got Burrow last year super late, and he was one of the number one fantasy quarterbacks.
That's true.
That's why I'm like, I don't know if I can't reach that early on the QB. I got to.
I had to do the parlay today for the year.
What you do?
No, so like I did like
it's like picking stats or games.
Yeah, the stats. Yeah, I put like about 10 receivers on that bad boy. Like 15 gave me like 3,600.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so
I saw a few of them. I was thinking about doing one.
Of course, like if they remain healthy, but some even like I kind of like underwent, look at stats, cut them drinks in half.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, bro, you having a bad season, boy, and
I got Evan Ingram at tight end. I got John New at backup. I feel like I need to draft another wide receiver, bro. I think that's where I need the most help at. But ain't no wide receivers left.
Lazard available?
Nah, he off the board already. Let me see. So when I get down to like the last little whatever, I sort these cats by last year's stats. What you think about your boy D Hop? Zay Flowers gonna get all the love though.
I mean, bro, he like a fourth option, maybe fifth.
Who, DeAndre?
Yeah, you gotta think we got Beat. We just re-signed Beat. Got Flowers. We got Likely. We got Andrews. Yeah, he the fifth option.
What about Amari Cooper? He's still on the board.
He out of shape. You saw him. You saw him work out. You saw him in practice the other day. Dude got a belly.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Not good. Bro, it's no receivers left.
Who up? Who?
I don't got no little late flyers.
Keenan. Oh no.
I got Keenan Allen. I picked him.
Yeah, man. All right.
Chris Godwin gone. Antonio. He gone. I'm gonna have to go with a running back, bro.
What about tight end?
I already got 2 tight ends. I don't like to have 3.
Okay. Receiver.
So it's either I gotta pick a running back or I'm gonna have to pick a.
Trying to think. Oh, anybody got my boy Saheed?
Who?
My boy from the Saints. I had him on my
fantasy. Yeah, he got picked. Who was one of the highest scoring offenses last year?
I mean, you could draft Rice. If somebody draft Rice, he's gonna be out there for 6 weeks though. He's suspended.
Yeah, because he got suspended.
Yeah.
Dube's gone. Yeah, Dube's gone. we I'm telling y'all fellas, we literally are like in the final round, so it ain't much on this damn board left. Ooh, I'm gonna get him though. Come here, Jake Elliott. I got the Eagles kicker. They put up a lot of points. All right, I'm down to my last pick.
Did anybody got Watson from the Packers?
Christian Watson?
Yeah, I don't know his first name. Light skinned dude. Let me know.
Yeah, let me see. I got so my team is filled out. I just need one more player. That's a good. That's a good. Let me go see.
He dropped the ball
Hey,
out.
nah. You know what? Dude's still on the board. Actually, I'm gonna
Oh yeah,
get.
didn't get that.
Yeah, I'm at. If he's still there when it come back around to me, Dude's on the board. You said
Uh,
what was the other guy you named?
Watson, and then my boy. Did anybody take Hollywood?
Hollywood Brown.
Yeah, he on the Chiefs. He
Oh
started.
shit. You know what? He barely played. Let's see.
Yeah, last year he was hurt though.
I
He
know
couldn't
that.
play for the playoffs, but this year he healthy. He going. He is. They see KC
Yeah,
be.
he got drafted.
Damn. KC got
Yeah,
some. Uh, Marvin Mims.
he gone.
Ooh. Anybody got Kyle Williams from the
Who?
Patriots? Kyle Williams.
He a receiver?
Yeah.
Nah, he's still on the board. Who is this guy?
He won the Young Bulls on the New England. They don't got he like one of the upcoming receivers.
Hmm.
My boy Patriots fan. That's how I know about him.
I might have to get him because I damn sure picked
Because Drake May, you got to think Drake May don't got that many options up in New England.
correct, and I definitely picked Stephon Diggs.
Oh yeah, so that's the second option.
Yeah, I need a little backup in case Stephon go down.
Uh,
Yeah, it ain't much left out here, boy. And yep, got him. Good look, bruh. I needed that. Kyle Williams, I got him. I ain't even know who that was.
bro, what's crazy is I don't do fantasy, but I be in Madden leagues, bro.
You been to who? Oh, Madden.
Yeah, I play Madden heavy. Like
Hmm.
that's the only game I do play. 2K too trash now, so I be on Madden, bro. So we be having like a fantasy draft, and then we
Mm-hmm.
rock out with the crazy teams.
Mm. All right, my team is complete. I can log out of this draft now. We good to go. Appreciate y'all, man, for giving me some names. I definitely was, man, dog. Listen, I had pick number 8. I really do not like this team that I have, bro. But I tried to pick best available. So I got Jaden Daniels, my quarterback. Mind you, we play in a 3 receiver, true running back with a flex.
Mm-hmm.
So niggas teams is deep. So I got Jaden Daniels, I got Puka, Derrick Henry, Kamara, Evan Ingram, Tony Pollard, Jerry Judy, Stephon Diggs, Keenan Allen, Nick Chubb, Xavier Leggett, Matt Stafford, Kyle Williams, and Jonnu Smith. And I got Pittsburgh defense, and I got the Philly kicker. It
It's
ain't bad.
not a bad team, bro. It's
It's
decent
not
team.
bad, but it ain't gonna get me to the
It be
championship.
man, but you don't know those be the teams that be kind of consistent points up, bro. You know how you know how that joint be, bro.
I know, but all right, I gotta go. Let me see the other teams, bro, because he got his running backs is trash though. I'm trying. Let me see who if I see a team that stand out. Nah, his team ain't doing it. You know
Oh,
what? I
they got a
might be
game.
all right.
No, they got a game on Friday.
Yeah,
I'm looking at the tickets now. Trying to get my drinks right.
my one homie, he got a pretty squad. He got a pretty solid squad. Actually, you know what, bro? Now that I'm looking at my team and I'm looking at other teams, I might be all right. You might be. It's really my receivers I'm worried about. Damn, this nigga, he got a good team. So my one boy, he got Malik Neighbors, Metcalf, Waddle, Josh Jacobs, James Cook, Brees Hall, Debo, Cooper Cup, Tank Bigsby. After that, that's all he really got. But his starting lineup pretty damn good.
They got my Ravens losing by 1.5. You're crazy.
Who y'all play?
Play Buffalo. We play it Sunday night. We play at Buffalo too.
Mm.
We gotta get that get back game. But last year we beat the mess out of Buffalo and it didn't even matter.
Mm.
They beat us when it count. Another season of high hopes and end up at home.
All I need is just one player to show up for me, bro. He said you can always find more receivers during the season, and that's the reason why I went running back heavy, J Mac, because you right. I've noticed I can always find me a receiver on the waiver wire or something like that later in the season. It'd be the running backs that carry a premium, dog. Them cats hard to find. All right, so we in this thing. Quadree, you taking any trade tonight, or you already done for the night, right? You good?
Yeah, I took the trade. Yeah, so my trade that I took here to downside.
That's right.
And, the trade I took. This trade I took this morning.
All right.
The trade, took a trade last night.
Yeah. So we got Jolts tomorrow. We get the beige book tomorrow. Let's see. We got CRM earnings tomorrow. So that'll be interesting. And then again, I mean the big event is going to be Friday, NFP. And depending on what that number looks like, that's really gonna heat up the rate cut conversation. I think coming into this month, we got a lot of folks looking for a pullback or whatnot. I will say that, like you said, to your point, the NQ is below the is it currently below the 50%?
Yeah, look, that joint like
oh, it is. Yeah. Oh, that's the previous month joint.
Yep.
Nice. But you got new indicators or something that show you all that?
Remember, I'm in the boot camp.
I know, but I ain't never seen it look like that.
It's the same thing. Drake got different colors on his screen.
Yeah,
mine a little different. So,
how's the boot camp going? How much longer y'all got in that drink?
I think like 2 more weeks. But I mean, we pretty much now it's just like knowing like what style you want to trade and how you want them. So now it's like having they call Ranger buddies accountability partners.
Mm-hmm.
Why for people who are like new to trading.
Mm-hmm.
Someone like me, it's just for me just holding myself accountable.
Got it. So pretty much all the learning stuff, all the learning parts, all the learning pieces is kind of complete.
Then now it's about retaining information, explaining it.
Got it.
Yeah, so it's dope.
Well, I'll find out. I'll be there October.
Yes, you will.
Huh?
Yes, you will.
Yeah, I'll be there October.
It went by fast though. I ain't gonna lie.
It did, right?
That joint started in July.
I mean, super cool. Oh, damn. Yep. And yeah, so we went all July, August. Here we are, early September.
Yep.
So we hit 8:00. My bad. What you gonna say?
Not just saying like it's it's crazy how many people trade. Like it's not many people that trade futures and have a community that trade futures only. That's dope.
Oh, that's all they focus on is just futures.
Yeah.
For the most part. Got it.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like I probably missed my trade for this evening, man. I'm gonna keep it 100.
Honestly, bro, we could push up tonight. Cause all right, we in the middle.
But we're gonna have to wait.
All right, so it's my thinking like we in the middle of the week.
Wait.
Cause we forget. Like I ain't gonna hold you. I
Yeah.
thought it was Monday.
Nah, it's shit.
Tuesday.
Today was Tuesday, so tomorrow Wednesday already.
Right? So we already in the middle of the week. Back to this, we already in the middle of the week. You see, we above the Tuesday opening range right now, right? Now, like we break Tuesday range bearish. We above it bullish. So I can see it's probably ranging, and then you said and Friday we get our move to the downside or upside, like you said.
Yep.
So
So the biggest thing I see early this week, bro, is I did the fib on last week's weekly candle on the ES, expecting that we was gonna get a downside move. For me, so two things happened today. The ES made it all the way down to this 161 extension to the downside. On top of that, it hit the weekly 9 and bounced off of that, right? We sitting right at last week's low. And so, like you said, to your point, I'm kind of like, all right, this thing could come down to this 64.30 level, and then maybe does it bounce up? I'm really expecting tomorrow to be a choppy day, especially after such a big move today. I'm expecting tomorrow to kind of be a little bit choppy, especially if Google and Apple can hold that upside move that they made. That should be enough to kind of keep the market flat or choppy or whatever the case may be. And then Thursday, Friday, we should see more. I would think we would see more follow through, in the direction we're going, because so hopefully I can get a little opportunity to do something tonight. But I think if I should have probably just got in right when the futures market opened.
But hey, Apple
that was great though, because
that roll to 250 looking nice though on Apple.
Oh, Apple. Oh yeah, we chilling in that. Apple looking, it's doing what it's doing. And that's the thing. Apple could. I was talking to somebody. Apple might go till their little thing next week.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It could go.
Yeah, 100%.
I also feel like it could just. You said what happened?
I'm gonna cut a contract at 100%, but yeah, I think we can run through the rest of the year because like you said, it was a lagger.
Yeah, and it's still not positive on the year.
Still
negative 8%,
so negative 8% for the year, bro.
That's Apple you looking at? I pulled it up.
Negative 8% for the year.
Yeah. So it's still negative. And then if that event does good, shit.
I got the fibs on here.
Larry said, I still like downside actions we talked about last week with the nasty work targets. NQ 22 843 action 4 hour, got a nice head and shoulder setup. Yeah, if you got more than one contract, leave 1 or 2 runners after you hit 100. Yes, sir. You said 22 843 on the NQ. Let me go see what that's at.
So
22 843.
Then he got us going down to me on a weekly.
That would take out 22 for 843. That's pretty much close to the low on that bearish candle.
Yeah. But see, Larry, I'm just not a fan of that right now. Reason being, crypto.
Fan of what?
Bitcoin, I think we're gonna run to the cuts, like you said, because look at crypto now. Like you look at Bitcoin.
What is crypto doing?
Bitcoin back at
wow, Bitcoin done bounced back.
Yeah.
How's altcoins doing?
Let's see.
Doing all right. 88 here.
XRP.
How's Ethereum? Ethereum kind of holding up.
So
yeah, not bad. Larry said that's the end of the month. I'm bearish for September. Gotcha. Yeah, Larry. I think when you was might have been on a call, but I was saying I read an article where it talks about usually you see the seasonal weakness of September. It comes in those last 2 weeks of September. That's usually where you see the worst part of the performance. I think we even looked at, or I think I showed this, which is let me share my screen real quick. If you look at the seasonal chart, mind you, seasonals ain't, it's not everything, but um, it does show like a little dip. You kind of go sideways here September. You get a little rally into about the middle of September, and then that back half is where you get the dip. Kind of bottom out here early October, and then you rally into the end of the year. So, we'll see how much of this seasonality plays out, but this is that beginning of that is that little dip where we could just kind of go sideways and then kind of, to me, Quadree, the way I see this is we got that little dip, and then what happens is we rally into the rate cut, and then the rate cut is when you get the dip. That's kind of like what it line up with or look like it do.
Facts.
Yeah. Yeah, man. He said, and then Santa starts to warm up the sled going into October. Yeah, yep. We just talked about. Yep. Said Santa. Yo, you see gold?
Yeah, bro. All-time highs.
Dog. Gold been out here going crazy. Yeah, definitely finally broke out of this range that has been in forever. Gold been going crazy. Silver. Goddamn, you look at silver. Silver out here been going crazy too.
Bro, I was, man, because I was heavy on silver, bro. It's only up 30. Well, not only up, but I mean, I made more money something other players, but it really was going crazy. It really was did what I thought it was going to do.
It did. It went. Yeah. I was gonna say it went to your target, right?
Yeah, I wanted to get to 42.
Where is that now?
It's at 37. It's almost there.
Oh, it's almost there.
I had it at 28 though. Like, I'm like, dang, flash.
I can go ahead and both of those is done. So I got both my drafts done, bro. I am hyped. I'm ready.
It's here now, man.
I
said it's football here.
I've been buying physical silver since 2014, 2015.
Dude, you gotta drop the link there. How you get that, bro? I know how to get gold. How you buy silver? You got a link for it? Oh man. You hear about they saying that the terrorists are illegal or something?
Yeah, but man,
they saying he might be trying to exempt them or something.
Bro, the thing about this whole tariff stuff is, didn't they already try to run these through the court one time? Well, Dre is in the building.
Yep.
No, boy.
What up, brother?
What's good, bro?
What's good, man?
Whew. Shit. Shit crazy. We live. How y'all doing?
Why you say that? What
happened? First day of school tomorrow is shit different.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We were talking about that.
How y'all doing? It's popping.
Doing good, man.
Cool, man. I ain't take no trade tonight, but I know you and Quadree was active early already.
Yeah.
Y'all caught that trade early off the rip.
Mm-hmm.
So we just been talking about the rest of this week, kind of what we Then we're gonna see. NFP Friday gonna be a big Friday now that the job mandate is number one for the Fed. So really just waiting to see. Really, I'm just waiting for that day.
Hell yeah.
See how that's gonna turn out. And then once we get that out the way, we'll have, we can kind of make some rationalizations for the rest of this month.
Yeah, you can already tell it's gonna move because we were moving last night crazy, bro. This shit was dropping.
Yeah, so that's what we was. Me and Quadree, I was like, yo, I'm surprised it was so much violence last night. The VIX was up what 20% this morning
Yep.
Yeah. So you already know.
Right. He said, I don't like Apex, but that 90% off was the lick. And the way the market moves today, it was a 1 day pass. Oh, you had a short overnight? Yeah. Yo, listen, whenever Apex get those deals, you know something crazy with the market about to happen. I promise you, every time they come out with those deals, you get weird market movement. Because they know people we always talk about, they know people about to blow them accounts.
Yeah, but are we extending them?
Yeah. Oh, we pushing up a little bit. Well, not much.
Yeah, truthfully, I wanted to see this would be perfect for me to take a long. We swept the previous hour low.
Yeah, we saw the previous hour low.
Long.
But you good, man. You already got your cash flow for the night, brother. You can relax. Take it easy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You ain't catch this when you trade, right? You call it later trade, right? You ain't catch the open. You ain't like the open.
When this morning, nah.
Yeah.
I didn't trust that that bounce, bro. It just bounced. We know. Like we were on their NFP mid. But man, it didn't come test my setup, so that's why I was a little suspect right here. Like if we were to come here.
Oh wait, you
hold up, I gotta get you. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
we got you. Hold on, we got you, Drake. Give me 1 second. Go ahead, you got it.
So this morning we were dropping right here, and we got this bounce on 9:30, but it just bounced. It never came back and retest till later on, like 12, almost 12.
That's what you're looking for?
Yeah, this shit just took off. So I was like, nah, I'm not chasing that shit.
Yeah, based off how you trade, because that joint was like this. It's so crazy because like my setup, that joint worked perfect for me.
Like, yeah, but the funny part is that I had these open. I had to go back and check, and they were open since August 5th and August 4th. This 6 a.m. opening. And we hit them to the T, bro, and boom. So also the low day was a little lower. It was funny, bro. I didn't like this. Then this I don't know what happened last afternoon. What was this?
The news came out about the Google and Apple shit.
Yeah.
What, they joined together?
The court case news came out about
Google. So like pretty much it's saying that like monopolies is good. So they don't gotta sell Chrome or nothing. They don't gotta sell any of that stuff. Like so pretty much if you monopoly, you're gonna be solid in this administration.
Right. I mean, yeah, my bad, bro. I haven't been on it since this shit got me crazy, but
it's all right, bro. Shoot. I'll be full on this stuff, man.
Yeah.
All right.
But I'm the same way, Dre. I was peaking and I was keeping up, but like you said, I was ripping the run. I had, like you said, I had a parent little teacher conference this afternoon. That's how I missed that damn opening trade. That 6 o'clock.
You know why I shorted? Because we hit the previous 12-hour mid, bro. We
Yeah.
never hit it yet today. So I'm like,
Mm,
yo, that's the first time we do right here. We hit it. I'm
mm,
like, oh, short. Oh, we usually hit it. It's rare when this happens. You're straight down. Rare. So this bounce, the fact that we didn't even get there, had me nervous. I'm like, nah, I don't like this bounce.
Because we
This
had
is
because we starting off soon. We hit the P12 low.
yeah. And then we came and test at 10 and dropped. So I took this short. I was short here. Remember? I put in the check.
Yeah, you was.
Yeah, but I didn't take it all the way. I took my profit. I'm like, you know what? Monday. I treated today like a Monday. I'm like, yeah, this is Monday, bro. I ain't messing with a Monday. So I got out.
mm,
Yeah. But now, I don't know. We below previous month, man. I don't know, man.
mm,
Yeah, bro. I was showing that like so YM, the Russell are way over the previous month mid, and then ES waked off nicely off the mid.
But remember, NQ like either he's lagging or he's leading to the downside first. That's the thing.
Well, I like to call it the Nasdaq the real market because we got the top companies in there. So
correct.
So this is weak right here. We below previous month 50.
mm-hmm.
Now we could chop between tomorrow and Thursday.
Oh, I just said that, Dre, bro. Me thinking the same thing.
We could chop and get everybody. Same thing like Jackson Hole, bro.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Make same shit. Make it look like we driving, and then we can do the move. I mean, it's gonna be the move. It's just what direction it's gonna be. That's the thing. We gotta play chess, so we gotta be very, you know, open to. Since volatility is good right now, the move is gonna hit. Like it's gonna move. But you gotta be quick with the profit. Can't be falling in love with the drop. It's gonna be open up. They're gonna flip it back off.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So we
Yeah,
below Sunday.
volatility's turned up, baby.
Yeah, September, baby. You already know.
Mm-hmm.
And you already know they here because today was moving, bro. This shit right here, shit. Yeah. Kids in school, traders are trading, man. You already know.
Yeah, they came back with vengeance today. However, I was like, the way to, I think the VIX move today messed me up though, because at this peak, the shit almost was at 20. It was up damn near 20%. I'm like, on what though? Like, what
Exactly.
it was so aggressive. Like, there wasn't nothing that
Yeah.
really. Well, here was the justification, right? We always get that afterwards. The justification was you had yields going up because of the whole tariff stuff of it being ruled illegal. So they're like, oh, we might have to pay the tariff money back. That was number one. I think what was the other excuse or the other justification they gave? It was the tariffs was one, and it was something else. But either way, I'm like, and that made the VIX go up over 20%. Like,
Yes.
what?
You see
I
that?
don't know, man.
Nah. When we dropping on no news, you know they trade the shit.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Striking said ICT say bank holiday on a Monday of NFP week, Thursday and Friday will be explosive. I think so. That's
Yeah.
what I was looking for. I literally wrote in my journal. I said I thought it's crazy because I did say I thought that we might have a heavy Tuesday. I just ain't know it was gonna be like this. And then
Bro.
I said we go to choppy Wednesday, and then I think we're gonna get a heavy Thursday and a heavy Friday.
So look, we get like London do not move 200 points. They do not do that.
Bruh, something happened during London because 3 o'clock that candle was
Six,
bananas.
they had CPI. They had CPI over there today.
Oh, okay. I was like, all right.
They had CPI over there today. So CPI
Because
came
I
high
damn
over
sure
there.
My alarm went off. I looked. I was like, it ain't too bad. Woke back up. I said, God damn, what happened? I mean, I should have took the move. I was like,
Yeah.
damn.
So London
My
has
uncle was
CPI.
like, golly.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, bro. So I know Larry, you like lower targets. Let me see. Larry likes the 800. You like 800, Larry?
He said 23, 42,
He up
22.
36 points on the current short.
He got what? What he like?
No, he was saying that a level he gave is what 22,843.
Yeah, it's back up here. 843. 843. Yeah.
843.
Yeah. And he in a short right now. He currently up. So he's short right now.
Yeah, I like
Damn.
850. Yeah, Larry. I like 850s. I'm with you.
By the end of this week.
Man, this shit kick up tomorrow, bro. Yeah, I kick up tomorrow. The way we moving. The way we moving today was
22, 850. You saying that by the end of this week?
yeah.
Today was only down 0.5% because of that wick at the end of the day.
Well, at one point we were down 2% on NQ. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah. We were down was 2.4%. 2.04. 400.
Dang.
Yeah. We sure was bro.
Yeah.
So
I know. I was like,
let's say we repeat tomorrow, we'll be close to 900. I mean, 900, Let's see. We are both Tuesday. So this Tuesday range.
yeah, for how long?
If we stay above tomorrow, we could chop around.
Mm-hmm.
But you already know we got a go higher day. So that's the key. Go higher day. Let's see where we get the low at London or New York or what's up. You're gonna see. You're gonna let us know. Right now we're chasing. We take a move right now, we're chasing.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. How you drive, bro? You drive.
Hmm? Oh my
How you
God.
drive?
Terrible.
Yeah. Why?
Because
The
I
one
had
at the
picked
wedding?
8. I had both of them. Shit. The one at the wedding, goddamn. When I was at the wedding, we was turned up, so I missed my first 3 picks, and then finally I realized it, and I looked at my phone. Mind you, that draft, I had pick number 1. I'm tight. I could have had a way better squad, bro.
Wow.
So my first 3 picks was auto drafted. After that, I had to just try to piece it together based on what they picked for me.
Who they auto draft? Chase?
Yeah, he went number 1, but I wouldn't have picked him number 1. I would have picked the running back.
Hell yeah,
I would have
Jamar
picked the running
Gibbs.
back. So that's why I'm tight, because I'm like, man, I wouldn't have picked him. I would have probably picked. I probably would have picked
Gibbs.
Saquon, to be honest.
Saquon again?
I would have picked. I had him last year. I would have picked Saquon first, and then when it would have came back to me, I probably would have picked another running back and the wide receiver. They gave me Jamar Chase, then they gave me Miami running back, and then they gave me fucking Trey McBride, the fucking tight end for Arizona. I was like, yo, dog, this is trash. So after that, I had to just piece it together. So we'll see. And then the draft.
Who's your quarterback?
On that first squad?
Yeah.
Let me go see. I'll give you the whole team.
That's a good squad. It's probably a good squad. You talking shit?
Nah, bruh. It's not a squad I would have picked. So no, it's not a good squad. All right. So this team. Okay. So I have Pat Mahomes.
Okay.
I got the Miami running back. I got Tony
Shane.
Huh? A Shane,
A
yeah.
Shane. Okay.
I got
Yeah.
Tony Pollard, Jamar Chase. I got the
Mm,
rookie wide receiver for Carolina, McMillan.
mm.
I got McBride is the tight end.
Yeah,
Uh,
he top three. He's good.
yeah, I got Jacoby Myers. Then
Okay.
on my bench, I got Addison, Ayuk,
Mm.
Gobert, the tight end from Philly,
Mm.
Jordan Mason, Liggett, and the
That's a
backup running
sleeper.
back. Who Liggett?
Nah, Jordan Mason right there.
Yeah, he is a sleeper. That's why I picked him.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean the squad ain't, it
Yeah,
ain't too
it ain't
bad, man.
bad, bro. Nah, you got some dogs there, bro. You got Chase
Uh,
and you got
I mean, yeah, Chase.
uh
Don't get me wrong, Chase is. I
and
had him last year.
Myers. Yo, Myers, watch out. Shit. Watch out with Myers.
I don't
He
know
good.
about that. And then the
He good,
squad I
bro.
picked that night, I got Jaden Daniels,
Mm,
Puka Nakua. I
okay.
got Judy Diggs, Derrick Henry, Kamara,
Mm,
Evan Ingram, Tony Pollard. On my bench, Keenan Allen, Liggett,
mm.
Stafford. Shout out to Quadree. He helped me pick a dude, Kyle Williams, who's like the backup for Stephon Diggs, so if he get hurt.
Oh, that's my guy.
Yeah, I told
You
you.
English? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. See, I didn't know who it was, but yeah, you're right.
Mm,
So
yeah.
yeah, I mean, again, for pick 8, I got it's an okay squad. Um,
Him and Henderson from New England supposed to be sleepers.
yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
Mhm.
I'm gonna have to
Let's
make some
see.
trades or something, bruh. I'm gonna have to
That's
figure
good.
this out, bruh. I'm gonna have to manage some shit this year.
Hmm. Yeah, word. Shit. Another chat doing. What's up? Who's in the chat? Who's on with us? Larry,
Our usuals,
the usual.
usuals.
Shrek King. Hell yeah.
Yeah, he
My
in the
guy
building.
here.
Damn, where's the
King Rad, what up, bro? Jay, what's good? What's good, my guys?
huh?
Where's the gamma at? On ES.
You said what?
The gamma on ES. Are we closing?
Yeah, we already hit the
Downside?
uh pretty close to it for SPY. The downside on Gamma was like 635. We hit that today and we bounced off of it.
Mm,
If SPY loses 635, shit can get really, really turned up. Um,
okay.
so it's funny because we hit, yeah, today's low was 634.92 and we popped back up to 640. But we got a heavy, heavy call wall at 650. But we got to get through 645 to even get there. And I don't know if we're gonna see. Yeah, it all comes down to Friday, bro. For me, it's all about Friday.
Yeah, Friday about to be lit, bro.
It's all about Friday for me, man. Larry said, I do want to see 23,275 tonight. Larry, you
275.
woo,
Larry
if you get
Berry. I
there,
like
actually.
Larry. Yeah, Larry. I'm in my bear mode too, man. I didn't like last night, got me off. Which threw me off,
We
bro.
sitting right on top of your NFP candle too, Dre.
Yeah, we lose that level, it's like City. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're on top of NFP right
Where we
now.
at? Or is ES close? ES ain't we not.
So if you see my chart, guys, look,
ES
we
came close to
came.
hitting it, but
I always track these NFP boxes. Always. Every month we
mm-hmm.
get a new one. So I do them low, the mid, the high. We came yesterday. We opened, market open right here in 9:30. We hit the mid right here and bounce. Boom. It's not always gonna be like this easy. It's not. Today was that day, but it's not gonna be. Oh, it just bounced from there. No. Look for your setup around there. Whatever you like to do. 15, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 15 seconds. You find your setup. around those keys areas. We came last night. This morning, 6 in the morning, we rejected that high right here. Boom. We couldn't click close above. Boom, boom, boom. Drop. Came to the mid bounce.
Yup.
Now we at right now we closed above it last night. Right now we fighting. We fighting that top. Fighting that top right here. We lose that level, we're gonna slide city until London comes. If we hold,
Yeah,
then
I'm
we can
looking at
push
this.
up. We can push up, we hold here. As simple as that. We can push
The
up and then we
YM and
can.
RTY look heavy though.
They look heavy. Okay.
The YM and RTY, they look heavy.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. They look heavy for sure.
And the only
And
reason the
they.
NQ won't- and you know the only reason the NQ ain't heavy right now is because of that Apple Google pop.
Yeah. Nvidia got NQ. Speak. Nvidia said, not now, guys. Not now. But we talk about this, hey? We talk about September. Nvidia is not the same, bro. This is, oh my God.
You said what happened?
Remember that seasonality chart on Nvidia September? That shit not
Mm-hmm.
popping, bro. Never look
Uh-uh.
popping.
Mm-mm. That's
So I'm
usually when you
wondering
get
if
a
it
little.
go, yeah, if it plays out again, bro. Geos be popping. Energy going crazy. Oh my God.
What's
SLE.
crew looking like? Let me go look at some. Yeah, it's probably going to put a nice little pop tonight.
Hmm. Yeah, the Dow. Yeah, man. Volatility up. We got to 20, bro. Shit.
Yeah, we did.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this, guys. So you remember, y'all remember this. I hope y'all do. Y'all do. Y'all really do. I know y'all do.
The VVIX.
Yeah, y'all do. Y'all love this indicator. This is the one, guys. This is the one. Every time we're above 50, about this line, this red line, they move for the move. The way this translate to ES or NQ or YM or RTY is that the move are volatile, more movement, more volatility,
Mm-hmm.
meaning you get paid a lot, but you also get smoke a lot. So be careful.
Them
Yeah,
ranges about to widen
yeah,
up.
yeah. Because I know a lot of people got short this morning, and they were holding that shit. And then when that shit that bounce, it's gonna drop later. Ooh. They got
Mm-hmm.
smoke. Yeah, same
That's
thing.
why you
Oh,
can't chase like them big gap down, them big gap downs like that. Them hard to chase, man.
So when I say that
You got
that range this morning was very, very large. Like I was like, yo, I had to go.
yeah.
I had to only go a couple contracts micros. I'm like, that's too.
Hmm.
yeah, there's a lot. Shit, I was looking at we got the indicator, the RO, bro. We had a we had a 15-minute RO at like 64, 63, and the other one was at like 6,400 basically. Bro, we
Damn.
ain't had that spread. We ain't had that wide of a spread, and it's been a minute since I seen a spread like that.
Yeah. Not liking this, guys. Not liking this one.
Uh-uh.
Yeah. 30 Y. No. Yeah, man. Mm,
And the way gold and silver moving, boy.
Yeah.
And the people like so the indicator that your rotation heavy into S&P 500.
What you said, Quadree?
Yeah, the rotation heavy into the S&P 500. I'm looking at an indicator.
Mm. Yeah, bro. It's finally September, bro. So
I
that
think
means I'll be home more on the weekends. I gotta do more homework, bro. Shit. We should looking weird.
yeah. I think we about to. I think Larry gonna get what he want tonight because this is not looking good, bro.
Yeah.
You said 275, Larry. That's another what? Like that's like 50. That's over about 50 points.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock. But damn.
Well, yeah, that's the other time to get short or long. I mean, we're gonna go take that, make this move false, then 10 o'clock is the time to do it. But if it's not, it's gonna go by 10:15. It's gonna start dropping until London. Yeah.
True. All right, man. What else,
How
fellas? What
big
else? What else? What else?
I definitely see us going.
Bitcoin?
Yeah, I was talking about
Yeah, Bitcoin is. Hmm. Can Bitcoin get to? Let me see.
Could this be where we see
98.
this where we see
You see Bitcoin 98 again or no? Say.
Um, yeah,
but could
96.
could this be where
96.
could this be where the divergence happens though?
What that?
Where Bitcoin running the market drop?
It
It
could
could
be.
happen. It could happen.
I would love for that to happen.
Yeah. I
You
mean,
know, I actually
I
think
got a
that
lot.
that I think that decoupling needs to happen. Like, if Bitcoin going to be the alternative asset or whatever, it can't go in tandem
With
all
the
the
market.
time. You need to have that decoupling happen eventually, or else it's what the hell is the purpose if it's just going to trade like the market?
Yeah.
Mm,
So, oh Lord,
mm.
boy, my youngin is going ham right now.
He's gonna live. I understand, bro.
Give me 1 second, y'all. I'll be right back.
Yep.
I totally understand. That's tough. Yeah, boy. By that time. How was your day, bro?
Beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
I
So you
ate.
caught that long?
Yes, I did. Ate very well.
Let's get it.
By 80 points.
80 point. Let's go.
Hell yeah. Then by done by like 9:50. Yeah,
Okay.
it's gonna work. Then I caught this short at the beginning. I've been
What? 6 a.m.
no, the PM.
Oh, tonight,
Like,
tonight.
like, uh, I went out last night, so I couldn't make this morning. I got
Bet.
super late. I ain't got super late. I got about like 5:45, and then I was
Hey,
up, but I couldn't stay up. I was on the call this morning. This
yeah.
game only down asleep. Um,
Word.
it was a nice short though that I missed this my 6. Nice short this morning. Um, Carl was showing me the I don't know if you watching. He's showing me the order map drink he be using.
The other, oh yeah, you gotta use, yeah.
That joint, bro.
I don't know how to use it though, but yeah, it should be popping. Bro. The way he explained that shit all the time, bro. Shit.
Bro, like so right now it was showing that we could like this heavy resistance at 2300.
Oh, you understand that shit?
Yeah.
I,
Bro, listen. I love stuff like that, bro. Cause it's like I always look at what can I add. Cause I used to use level 2 data.
yeah.
So like that don't be hitting. I kind of want to go short now,
Mm.
but I already made money. Like we
You,
got
you don't got you don't got no new accounts. Apex got 90%, bro.
yeah, but they gave me I got a code for a new 50K at my funded.
But
So like that come out to $58 and then no activation fee, so it's cheaper.
mm.
I love
Yeah,
that no activation fee, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
yeah, I'd rather pay up. Yeah, you're right.
And then
That's it.
like well you've been with Apex for a while, but like with my funded and Top Step, they don't hit you for the I collect the trade ride, and if it come back to me, so it's just a wash.
Yeah,
So that's my biggest thing.
I hate that shit. At the beginning, I used to hate that shit. Bro.
But I'm trying to centralize all my props. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I want to keep everything with my funded. Just stay with one,
Mm.
so that way it won't be that too it won't be too what they call it. Because when you're going logging in, logging out, like or trying to have it on my phone and all that stuff, I'd rather just have it in one centralized location.
One, yeah, I did that for a while.
Because then I'm like, I got Top Step open, I got Trade View open, and Trade View unless you use one. Now I'm signed in on the
Yeah,
phone to the other one. I'm like, yo, what am I doing?
yeah, it's hard to concentrate.
Yeah. Then I'm entering the trade a couple points later than the other one, like
Yeah.
because you gotta pay for that.
Ooh, dropping. That's why I stopped. I only I used to focus on every freaking market, bro, and then I'm like, yo,
Yeah,
nope,
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I gotta focus on one now, bro. Like,
I can do any. Yeah, like I used to chart everybody all day, every day, and look for trade. But yeah, that shit was too draining. I was shot, bro. Shit.
Come on.
Oh, you sure?
Mm.
Let's go.
No, I ain't
You,
nothing, but I could see we about like that little somebody hit me and was like, yo, you do I think this little did I think the Apple Google Pop was gonna hold? I was like, I don't know. And
mm,
it's not looking too good.
yeah, I don't know.
You said what?
I don't think so. Not yet.
Yeah,
I'm
the
about to
way the
go show.
YM. Hmm.
I'm about to go show on my account. Nothing too crazy. I gotta do it on my phone. For some reason it's
Like,
not letting me.
look, go. Damn, go got here for it.
I'm gonna say if the one if I used to add some gas to the drop.
Oh shit.
Where's let me look at let me see what's the US 500 at. That'll help me out. Damn, that joint almost back to 64.15. So we got about 5 more points. Hmm.
Woo. Hey.
Yeah, my TP at 305.
Till I die. It. Let's go, Larry. 275. That's what we want.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, if I could have got in right when we first opened, that would have been love.
Cause I feel like I know we want. I feel like we want to drop.
I mean, it damn sure looks like it, bro. It's just like slow creeping. There you go. Come on, yes.
Let's go.
Yes, ain't, but it's 1 point from my next bid.
Oh. The fee for the weekly fees or the hourly fee?
Hmm?
Your level for the night? Your
The
weekly?
weekly joints.
Oh. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'll show you. Like it's right here. Let me see. I'll show you.
Mm. Damn.
So if I go to the weekly, that's this candle, right?
Yeah.
I'm looking for more downside. Like I said, we already let this today, just today alone, we already hit the 1618. You know,
Damn.
so the next one is this 64.30.75. We lose that, we come down to 64.05, 63.73. So we pretty much sitting on last week's low
Yeah.
on the ES.
What time was that bounce? At the right there.
This one right
10
here,
o'clock? 10 o'clock? Or 2 o'clock?
the green candle,
Yeah.
2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Ooh. Damn.
So it's sold down all night. Then
Mm-hmm.
this was the 10 o'clock session, or we open. We tried to run up, came down, tapped this low, bounced up,
Yeah.
and then really for real, this candle was after hours work where that news came out with Apple and Google. So I wouldn't even be surprised if the ES comes all the way back down to the 64.24 tonight and take out this whole after hour candle.
Yeah.
I gotta wait. I need to get a little bit of a, because this 4 hour candle already down 16 points. That's why I'm like, shit, if I could have got that shit at the goddamn open, I would have been good. And look, we just
Yeah.
hit that fib too, 64.30.75. Boom. So ain't much I could do. Ain't much I
We're
could do.
moving.
Or you say you short and one or no?
Yeah, I am on my phone, bro. Cause
Is
I
that what
can't.
happened, Dre?
I said we moving.
Oh yeah, that's right. You said that. Damn, we just broke. Yeah, I
Yeah,
was
some
saying we
reason
just broke through that level too.
Yeah, 305 my TP.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm taking 15 to 305.
Got it.
Shout out to Dre.
Yeah, let me go see what is it ain't even about Google. I just want to see if they holding this after hour move. It don't seem like it is. I think Apple already started giving some of it back. Yeah, Apple's back down to 235. It had got as high as 239.
Dang.
And then Google. Yeah, that when that news came out, boy, them things was moving. Google went as high as 229. It's down to 226. So it's still up pretty nicely though. I think it might be Nvidia that's dragging shit down. Yeah, Nvidia down another $1.20 overnight.
Yeah. Nvidia not like it. You saw that?
Mm-hmm. Tis.
Yes, sir.
Interesting.
Yeah. September came swinging.
Bro, they came out the gate.
Yeah.
You know what I think is about to get a nice little push though, Dre? Is oil.
What?
We had 65.
Mm. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to check. Let me see. Y'all be mad. They move already. Fuck.
Okay, so 2 o'clock is when it like to move.
Here you go, Quadree.
Gold out here doing the motherfucker.
Breaking lower. Here we go. And then 15-minute low.
Breaking low.
Breaking lower.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Australia got GDP quarter over quarter. Red folder.
What, 9 o'clock? At what time?
9:30.
Oh. Peace out.
Oh, you got 5 minutes. Yo, what the fuck is you doing?
Yes, sir. Here we go. New low, baby. New low.
We're about to keep making lows and lows and lows, man.
That's right. Here she goes. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, I got some alert at 2,900 on Ethereum, bro.
Huh?
I got alert 2,900 Ethereum.
How low?
2,900.
You think that thing gonna drop 50%?
Yeah. September is known for Ethereum to drop crazy.
You said
29 to 2,900.
But that's gonna be a. Whew. You think it's something catastrophic about to happen, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you.
I mean, Bitcoin probably back at like 80.
Yeah. You on mute, bro.
Oh, my bad. I said not today, but I can
Nah, I
see
know.
it's 30% lower. Yeah.
In 2026, yeah.
Nah, bro. September. Yeah, bro.
I don't know about that one, Dre. That's a little bit of a reach.
You think so?
I think so, bro. That's gonna be a heavy reach.
How much is it
29th
up?
of September. I can't see that one though.
30%. Is that Ethereum on September? Historically, it's not good. Historically, right?
Yeah, but not no 30% drop.
That just come to the. It just gonna come to test the breakout zone. There's nothing crazy.
See, that's what I'm saying. Even if it took out last month low, that's still only that's 33.50.
Yeah.
And best believe they take out that low, you're gonna see somewhat of a bounce. Yeah, I would have to if it get there, I would gladly add some more
Right.
and be
Yeah.
wrong, but that's a tough one for me to see right now. 2,900.
We're gonna track it together. Look, I'm gonna leave it on my chart right here. We're gonna see what happens September. It's gonna stay like that. Let me see. I wish I had the the seasonality for it.
Just add,
Also,
just add
the flows. Look at the flow. Look at the flow. Watch. Flow is not good. It's already telling us what's coming. So this is good. This is what you want to see in Bitcoin doing. Bitcoin's good. Um, look at this. This is not good, bro. I mean, it's good. But it's coming to test the breakout. That's all. Nothing crazy.
We shall see, good brother. That's why we have a market. Because there will be
Yeah.
plenty of buyers if it do get down to 2,900. I tell you that.
Oh, hell yeah. I want that. Shit. Phew. In a heartbeat.
Did we get your target, Quadree?
nah, my joint 13 points.
Right
It
there.
said that it said that it rose their GDP.
Oh, here we go. Here
Oh
we go,
shit, we got
bro.
yeah, we got 930.
They
930.
said that it rose. I guess that's bad.
Oh, you said Australia it went up?
Yeah, they expected 1.6. It came in at 1.8.
Ooh.
Fuck.
Australia's second half household savings ratio dropped to 4.2%.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I guess it's bad news. Okay, Margaret.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah, there it goes. Starting to break down a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow about to be interesting, dog.
Yes,
We
sir.
are selling down pretty heavy right
There's a lot of
now.
orders at 300. Come on.
Yeah, it look like it's about to start making that move now.
We down. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, this ain't looking too hot, bro. This is not looking. Yeah, I just need 10 o'clock. Give me a little retrace so I can get in and go short.
Yes, sir.
Oh man.
Let's go, Larry. Let's go, Larry. What up, Car?
You know,
Yeah, he loving it.
I don't like weekly forming though.
so what?
I don't like this weekly forming.
Oh, you say you don't like the weekly that's forming?
Not a wick that's forming. We need to drop a little more.
Here we go, bro.
That. Let me see what this 1 hour cooking for. What that 1 hour cooking for? I could have took that 32.50. There you go. Push, 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 push. Push, push, push. Yeah, man, this shit is about to get real crazy, dog.
7 o'clock, big ass candle to the downside, bro. Oh,
You said 10 o'clock?
good.
Mm. Yeah. Retest Wednesday, Dre?
Yes, sir. Yeah, baby.
It's already
You already know.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
What
We
they about to
look,
do
we're
it,
getting
bro?
lower lows. Lower lows.
No, no.
Mm-hmm.
Lower 12-hour high, lower lows. Here, we're making higher. Not here, baby. Boom. Yeah. Retest one. We got a, let me see. Gotcha. Let me see some. Let me see the data. Sure. Mm, 2015. %80. There's a 80% chance that we hit 265 tonight. 23 to 65.
On NQ?
Yeah, 80%.
Mm.
Yeah. Now they don't play every time. but just a level to have in your mind. And if it don't happen by London, then we could start going up. Like if it by 2 in the morning that don't go there, then we could start retracing back up.
Come on back up.
Yeah. To make it look like this, like you see this right here. So last night we came, we dropped
Mm-hmm.
how much point we dropped? We dropped like 40%,
Bro, I'm telling you, as
86.
soon as we get off, we're gonna watch. As soon as
So
we
we
get off, it's
dropped,
gonna go crazy.
yeah. London King, 2 in the morning, pop, drop.
Mm-hmm.
If I go back, replay, let's see where was the 2%. Let's see. Let me see something. Okay. Did we hit it? No. Oh, okay. Hmm. Hey, RTY dropping or oh shit. Okay. I am bits. 10 more.
Just a week game.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Copper. How Copper doing, Car lately? That shit not moving. That shit not. Bull fly. Bear fly. Hey. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, man. This is
Hmm.
all right, fellas. I gotta shut it down, man. I need to go upstairs and help wifey real quick.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Um, y'all got anything before we roll?
Nah, man. I'm good. Hopefully we get this
Yeah.
drop.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
facts.
will. Watch. As soon as we get off, watch.
Where?
All right, people.
Yes,
We
sir.
will see y'all tomorrow. Normal time, 7:15.
Yep, 7:15.
Yeah, normal
Yes,
time,
sir.
7:15. Hopefully, we had some better. We actually had good movement. We just wasn't on when it happened.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was
exactly.
earlier today.
Yeah, it happened early. So, but yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow, 7:15. Good people. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all evening. Safe trading. Catch y'all tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
man.
Bet.
Right.